Alrighty, training today. Is that a new driver? Liko. Let's go. There she goes. Second stop of the day. Kelly Country Club. So far so good. We've been going in a good pace so far. Liking it. So we're delivering over here to my field side, and then there's this Vietnamese coffee or food area that I didn't even know about. They order out of the house. Good thing I'm training her today because I just found out they make pho too. But today we're gonna try out the Vietnamese coffee. Ladies and gentlemen, we got coffee. It's huge. I love it. So this thing right here is so good. Thanks to her for showing me the way. This coffee is bomb. I follow them on Instagram. So Jen's Kitchen 808. So we're doing good so far. We're over here in Waipio area, Kupunalu. Yeah. I say Kupunalu. Girl, you deaf. You need to clean your ears. It's a bit of a raining day today. How you doing, Liko? She moving. Oh, there she goes, her last package. There you go, Liko. Proud of you. You gonna graduate today. Oh my god. Right on, Liko.
Nice work today, it said.
Oh, Liko, you gonna graduate today. You gonna make me proud. Hard work. Oh my god. Done at exactly 5 o'clock. Oh my god.
Okay, now it's like attention.
Nah. So we're here with Ramson. We came to rescue him. Yeah, you just cause for training purposes.
For training purposes.
Yes.
Not that I'm struggling.
So Liko rescued Ramson and training purposes. Oh my god. Right now she's gonna organize her totes that she got from Ramson, and yeah, we're gonna go from there. How you feeling?
I ain't no ball though.
No, you're not struggling. We're just doing this for training purposes.
Yeah.
I heard everybody else in round, and I was like, oh, I got a baby. Baby delivery.
Oh, so proud of you, Liko. Your first stop on your first rescue. Yeah, you. Go, girl. Go do your thing, girl. She gonna graduate already. Just like Isaac and Keanu and Kenny. Oh my god, you guys made me so proud. Also, JJ. Oh my god, you guys made me so proud. You guys go. Yeah, you.
So let's do the song. I know that without you, but nothing I can do. Let's do the song.
Alright, Liko, we're done for the day. How was your training today?
Good day. Nobody got hurt. We got back to the facility safely. awesome type training.
Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we are done for today. Liko, good job today, and welcome to Baba Transportation. You did a really good job today. Everything you did was right and correct, was on par, just like everybody else. So, yeah, tomorrow's another day, so I'll see you guys. Bam, day 91. Ooh.